Hello my good people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Natural Aton here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do your Bantu knots. The method that I'm using is a yarn method, where you secure your hair using a yarn. I'm not using gel, but I'm using a yarn. Just hold your hair like this, then take your yarn, then fix your hair a bit tight like this. Make sure you hold all your hair. Then twist a bit. Then start twisting or rolling the hair. Then roll over into your hair like this. You roll it downwards so that your hair will be tight like this. Roll, then twist into your hair like this. And this is your Bantu knot. I'll go ahead and do another one so that you can follow it keenly and do your Bantu knots without struggling with gel. This is how it is done traditionally, like this. Then you take a yarn, and twist your hair like this to secure your hair. Make it a little bit tight, but not too tight, because if you make it tighter you will break your hair. Roll the hair, then twist onto your hair like this. Downwards. And your hair is done.